Hello again. Yes, a cloudy start this morning and then some sunshine and then more cloud around. We've had to put up with quite a bit this week, some amazing sunrise and sunsets, but yes, strong winds and quite a lot of cloud around at times. As we head into the weekend, often mild, often windy, but changeable weather conditions. This has been the story so far today, that cloudy start, then a lovely slice of sunshine for the afternoon, but more cloud waiting in the northwest as we head through this evening and overnight tonight. So it is a bit of a messy mixture. The winds are continuing strong, at least for the first half of the night. Some misty low cloud over higher ground, maybe some moisture here, and staying mild, well above the average for the time of year, especially for towns and cities. So as we head through into tomorrow, there is Saturday sun times, 7:45 and 4:47. It will be a mostly dry start tomorrow, maybe some breaks coming through, little bits of rain and drizzle out of any thicker cloud. It's a blustery day, and then we've got a north-south split for the afternoon. I think most parts of the region will be under the cloud, the mild air, but the moist air. So some rain and drizzle around at times, and always quite breezy from the west. The winds will pick up for the second half of the weekend on Sunday, so it's a windier day, it's a cloudier day. In general, a wetter day. We've got this weather system pushing northwards, but perhaps a little drier from the south into the second half of the day, and still mild, highs of around 13 Celsius. Hints that things might get a little bit colder as we head into the second half of the week, but over the coming few days for the second half of the weekend into the first part of next week, often cloudy, outbreaks of rain around at times, often some strong and gusty winds, but those temperatures staying mild by day and by night, well above the average for the time of year. Yes, struggling with cloud amounts across most parts of the region for much of today. We've had those lovely sunrise and sunsets this week. It has been a mixed bag, and as we head into the weekend, it will continue to be so. Mild, often windy and changeable conditions. I think the best of the sunshine will come through to northern parts of the region during the course of Saturday. This has been the story so far today. A slice of sunshine after a cloudy start, then more cloud building from the northwest and outbreaks of rain pushing onto the Pennines. So as we head through into this evening and overnight tonight, those strong winds stay with us for a time, especially over the mountain tops. Low cloud, mist and murk, and some rain and drizzle certainly over the Pennines as we head towards dawn. But we are looking at those temperatures very mild for the time of year, despite the strong westerly winds. As we head into tomorrow, 7:50 and 4:51 are your sun times. A blustery day tomorrow. There'll be a mixture of cloud, sunny spells and showery outbreaks for the morning, and then it's a bit of a north-south split into the afternoon. This weather front pushing through, generating a lot of cloud, moisture, mist and murk, and still blustery from the west and still mild for most of us, well above the average, and in some places 12 or 13 Celsius. The front pushes away, but then we've got another front pushing its way through during the course of Sunday. So quite cloudy skies, we think, on Sunday. Still that westerly wind, still mild temperatures and still outbreaks of rain. And over the next few days, at least for the first half of next week, we stick with that story of generally cloudy, bits and pieces of rain around at times, often quite windy, but mild temperatures by day and by night, well above the average for the time of year.